In this tutorial, I'll show you how to access dividend data in Tradingview so you can track payouts and make smarter investing decisions. Don't forget to like and subscribe. First, open Tradingview and load the chart of the stock you want to analyze. Now, right-click anywhere on the chart. From the menu, click on Settings. A settings window will appear on your screen. Go to the Events section inside this window. Look for the option called Dividends. Enable it by checking the box. Now go back to your chart. You'll see small dividend markers appear on specific dates. These show when dividends were announced or paid. Hover your mouse over any of these markers. A pop-up will appear with important details. You'll see the ex-dividend date, payout amount, and payment date. The X date tells you when you must own the stock to receive the dividend. The amount shows how much is paid per share. The payment date tells you when you receive the money. For more details, click on the Dividend Information panel if available. Here you can view dividend history and yield data. This helps you analyze income potential and consistency. Use this feature to evaluate dividend-paying stocks more effectively. That's it. You've successfully learned how to access dividend data in Tradingview. Subscribe for more Tradingview tips and tutorials.